Oh yeah. Oh, clever girl. You're giving it a good old push, aren't you? You're a clever girl. Yes, you are. Oh, you are funny. Have you got hold of Pooh? Have you got hold of him? Oh, I love it. You clever girl. You're giving him a good old push, aren't you?
Next video.